subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
OnePlus is reportedly working on its upcoming mid-range 5G phone called OnePlus Nord N200. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and specifications has surfaced online by a popular leakster OnePlus. According to leaks, the OnePlus Nord N200 5G will support a large 6.49-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and 20:9 aspect ratio. The screen is said to have a hole punch at the top left corner that will house an 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.05 aperture. The rear panel of the phone will feature a triple camera setup in a rectangular model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 13-megapixel primary camera with f2.2 aperture, plus 2-megapixel macro and another 2-megapixel monochrome sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the OnePlus Nord N200 5G will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU, and it will pack with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64GB of UFS 2.1 storage that can be expanded up to 256GB via microSD card slot. The device will come backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it will run on Android 11 with Oxygen OS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone will also feature an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone will include 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 163.1 by 74.9 by 8.3 millimeters, and it will weight around 189 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of OnePlus Nord N200 5G has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the OnePlus Nord N200 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.